Hey, what's up? My name is Riley. I'm a part of Lauren Hardy's coaching program in the Wholesaling Inc. mentorship. And I just wanted to hop on here and give a quick review of the Virtual Investing Mastery course. So I've been listening to the Wholesaling Inc. podcast for a little over a year now. And kind of just taking small action steps from listening to the podcast. I had tried wholesaling in my backyard market, which is San Diego, California. I had tried getting a deal here for about a year, and I got not a single contract. It was just super tough with my very limited marketing budget. Just trying to cold call and do what I can to get a deal here. It was super tough. So I made the decision to go virtual. It took a few months, and then I got my first deal. And that was just from listening to the podcast and watching YouTube videos. And I closed my first deal, and then I decided that I really want to scale up, do way more deals consistently. I don't want this to be my only virtual deal that I do, so I decided to join Lauren's program. As soon as I found out they were doing a virtual investing program, I hopped on that right away. And it was definitely worth every penny. Since officially joining the coaching program, I've closed 3 deals virtually without even seeing a single picture of the property. I literally just get it under contract and then do a couple things, and within 30 days I have a check at my doorstep. So that's my review on the program. I definitely recommend joining. It's super essential to start going virtual. Wholesaling in your backyard is great. If you can do it, do it. But if you are in a market like where I'm at, San Diego, San Francisco, LA, Seattle, New York, Phoenix, these type of places they're not newbie friendly. And I found that out the hard way. So don't find that out the hard way. Join the program, make the investment, and thank me later. All right, bye.